This is Blotternit. Blotternit tea, herbal medicine. Those who want to take this, this is a yummy, very delicious tea. Come on to the Philippines. This is Blotternit, and ang tawag nito butterfly free. Butterfly free. Weather cloudy. Hello, thanks for viewing. Thank you.